Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you a simple way to practice English at home that almost everyone ignores. But here's the strange part. It only takes a few minutes, and you can start seeing real progress in just 1 week. So why do most beginners fail, and how can you do it differently? Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to do every day. Chapter 1. The simple secret most beginners miss. Let's start with something simple, something real, something most learners never try. It is called shadowing. Don't worry, the word sounds big, but the idea is very small and friendly. You listen to someone speak English, and you copy them at the same time. You don't wait. You don't translate. You just follow the voice like a shadow. But here's the strange part. The first time you do it, your mouth feels confused. Your brain feels slow. You might even laugh because it feels a little silly. And that is exactly why it works. Most people skip this step because they feel shy. They think, I will do this later. But later never comes. Their English stays stuck at the same level. But you won't be like them. You click this video, you want progress. You want real life English. So stay with me. Shadowing helps your mouth learn the music of English. Yes, English has music, rhythm, stress, movement. Most learners only learn words, but they miss the music. Shadowing gives you that music fast. And the amazing part? You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long sentences. You don't need a teacher. You only need your voice and a small moment in your day. Even if you shadow for only 1 minute, your brain wakes up, your tongue warms up. You start speaking faster and easier. Once you feel this small change, you want more. And that leads us into the next chapter, how to start shadowing daily at home. Chapter 2, how to shadow English at home every day. Let me show you the easiest routine. It takes almost no time. But here's the surprising part. The shorter the practice, the faster the improvement at first. So let's start simple. Step 1. Choose a short audio or video. It can be a YouTube clip, a podcast, or even a movie line. Pick something you enjoy. Your brain learns faster when you enjoy it. Most people choose something too long and give up. Don't do that. Choose something short and fun. Step 2. Play the audio. Listen for a few seconds. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to feel the rhythm. Then, speak with it at the same time, like a shadow. Don't pause. Don't correct yourself. Don't worry about mistakes. This is not school. This is training, real training. Step 3. Start with 1 minute only. Yes, 1 minute. Most learners try 10 minutes and burn out. But if you start small, you build a habit. Habits build fluency. After 1 minute feels easy, move to 3 minutes. Then 5. Never jump too fast. Your brain loves slow growth. Here's a tiny trick. Shadow while walking, cooking, or waiting. These micro practice moments are powerful. They make English part of your day, not a big homework task. When you follow this simple routine, something surprising happens. You start hearing English differently. And when you hear differently, you speak differently. That's when real life speaking becomes natural. Next, we will see how to use shadowing for real life English at home, even if you don't speak to anyone in English yet. Chapter 3. Using shadowing for real life English at home. Many learners think, I don't live in an English speaking place. How can I practice? Here's the truth. English practice is everywhere. You just need to see it differently. Shadowing helps you bring English into your daily life. Imagine you are in your kitchen. You can practice small conversations. I am cooking rice. I need some water. This tastes good. Simple English, small English, but very real. Most learners never notice this. Real life English is made of simple lines, not long sentences. Shadowing trains your mouth to say these lines fast and smooth. Another trick, talk to yourself. Yes, seriously. When you cook, describe your actions in English. When you walk, describe what you see. When you think, try small English sentences. These tiny moments build your speaking muscles. You start speaking without fear. Slowly, your brain stops translating. English becomes natural. Here's something exciting. You don't need an English friend, a teacher, or perfect accent. You just need consistent practice. Even 5 minutes a day at home can make a huge difference. You will notice greetings, simple questions, and small conversations start feeling easy. And this prepares you for the next step, sounding natural and confident when you speak. Chapter 4. Speak naturally and confidently at home. Sounding natural is not about speaking fast, it's about rhythm, tone, and emotion. Shadowing helps you copy this naturally without memorizing grammar rules. Here's something native speakers do without thinking: they change tone, pause, and stress words differently. Most learners speak flatly. That makes them sound unsure, even if their grammar is correct. But you can fix this. When shadowing, copy not just words, copy tone, emotion, and rhythm. Pauses are important. A small pause makes you sound confident and clear. Try saying a sentence, then pause for a second. You feel more in control. Micro hooks, this tiny trick makes you sound 10x better. Another benefit, shadowing trains your mouth like a workout. Tongue moves faster, lips stronger, voice clearer. Even a short practice gives this physical improvement. Try a mini test. Say, I want to learn English. Now shadow it from a video. Notice the difference in mouth movement and confidence. That small difference is the start of big progress. Once you start sounding natural, your confidence grows. Real life speaking starts to feel easy. And the next chapter will show what happens after 7 days of daily practice. You will be surprised. Chapter 5. The 7-day transformation you can see at home. Something amazing happens when you practice every day. Day 1 feels strange. Day 2 feels easier. Day 3 feels fun. But around day 5, something special happens. Most learners never expect it. You start hearing English differently. New stress, rhythm, and sounds become obvious. These small changes make speaking smoother. By day 7, you notice 3 big improvements. First, your mouth is faster. Words come out easier. Second, fear disappears. Speaking feels natural. Third, your listening improves automatically. Shadowing trains both listening and speaking at the same time. Most learners never realize this synergy. Here's the emotional part. Confidence grows fast. You can speak in front of family, you can ask questions, small wins feel big. Motivation skyrockets. Micro hooks. Something strange happens around day 5. Your brain suddenly adapts and speaking feels easier. This is the power of consistent home practice. But don't stop. The 7-day result is only the start. Chapter 6 shows how to make English practice a lifetime habit at home. Chapter 6. Make daily English practice a lifetime habit. You made it this far, so I know you are serious. Now, let's make this practice last. Most learners stop too early. They practice a few days, feel better, and quit. But small daily steps create real improvement. Keep practice short but consistent. 5 minutes every day beats 1 hour once a week. Change audio every few days to hear new rhythm. Microhooks. Most learners stop too early. Don't be one of them. Make English part of daily tasks. Talk while cooking, walking, or cleaning. Celebrate small wins. Soon, English becomes natural. Not school, not homework, not fear. A skill you own. Your voice grows confident. You don't need perfection. You only need progress. and you already started today. If this video helped you, subscribe for more daily English tips. Like the video to support the channel. And tell me in the comments, how many minutes will you practice shadowing today? Your English journey starts now, right at home.